In this video, let's begin doing some very basic tasks in our Business Manager.
This video is brought to you by Pies Academy.
And we'll go to the Accounts tab and we'll add some pages. If you already have an account and if you've already created a page, what you do is you click on the Pages tab and it says, okay, you don't have any pages yet in your Facebook Business Manager, so why don't we add a page? Because from pages we're going to be able to run ads. So this is quite important. And you click on add and you get a couple of options. First, you can create a new page. If you already have a page, you can add a page or request access to a page if it's a page that's made by some client of yours. In my case, I'm going to add a page because I already have one on my personal account, and I'm going to give it the URL of that page. It's a basic business page, and I'm going to go add page. And you see, because it says I'm already a page admin to that page, my request was approved automatically. If you were doing this for a client's page, they'd have to give you an extra permission. So we're going to close that, and we're presented with certain options that the user, which in this case is me, is able to perform. So you see, you can toggle them on and off, and we're just going to go next, next, next. It shows that we can add people. Let's say you have a freelancer, you want to add people to it so that they can become a manager for this page. That's fine. At the moment, we're not doing that, so we're just going to say okay. And so we have added this Problemio page under the pages settings in our Business Manager. And so now we can manage this page from here. So in this video, what we've accomplished is we've managed to add a page to our Facebook Business Manager. And in the next videos, we're going to continue to explore how to use the Facebook Business Manager.